Right Honorable Thomas Tayebwa nuwe yasimbura biruki aha myanya tarukushana abayitabo mu kwiruko kwa Coffee Marathon enkuyanja ya biruki ababarumudoka Sinzukuru na Steven Kiprotich nabo bayitabo mu kwiruko kwa kilomita 5 10 abirnemwe hamwe na 2 okwa abantu kwenderera Africa Coffee Park okwiruko kwa kilomita 2 ombakazi kwa singwa Maserin Cherengat hamwe na Isaac Musayi owa timu ya Prisons kanda ababona bahebwa milioni 10 buri umwe.
That we are going to continue supporting you as a government because you are putting our country on an international map.
Nimbahiga to join such campaigns and to support such campaigns because tomorrow we are the future of this country. Kandi ebintu nkebi bitugaruza mama nukureba twashanga mu Uganda is going to now start processing our own things and our own products.
Tatungo mukishaka abanyatunga Daya Isa narishikureta Coffee Marathon kandi yaragenderire kugira umukasi na mnonga umukasi w'ecyaro mugazo atunga abantu bingi na mnonga eminyeto niyo yakira kugenda bamwe.
Ebyo bikiryaho timu y'abasigaze yo muzano gwa basketball ofurwa mu kampi ya Nakivale yasinga mizane ebiro mu mpaka za Western Basketball League ezazanwe rizoba Harimbarra University. Nakivale yasinga Alpine zahabwo banshanjo haryana na bishatu kandi abagaruka basinga timu ya Jovok Wall of Fame ahabwo bataho na bitana haryataho na kimwe iyo Jovok Wall of Fame yasinga Rukinga ahabwo bankaga na bitana haryana na 8
muzano gutwasingwa twarugamuramwa ogwo kuzana defense twagwejegera mu kace bafuna mpira batuteba